This is where most people waste hours doing simple work, without even realizing it. But what if the right tools could cut your effort in half and double your results? On AU Techverse, you're about to see 25 tools that completely change how you work. And yes, every single one of them is linked in the description for you to check out instantly. Claw hammer. In any woodworking setup, a claw hammer is one of the first tools you'll reach for. Whether you're assembling a wooden frame or fixing a loose panel, it allows you to drive nails in quickly and remove them just as easily with the curved claw. A well-balanced hammer reduces hand fatigue and gives you better control, especially during repetitive tasks. In real projects, this means fewer mistakes and faster progress. It's a simple tool, but without it, uneven basic woodworking becomes slow and frustrating. Wood Chisels Set. When you need clean cuts, sharp edges, or precise detailing, a wood chisel set becomes essential. Imagine shaping a joint or carving out a hinge space. This is where chisels give you full control that power tools often can't match. A good set comes in multiple sizes, allowing you to handle both fine detailing and heavier material removal. With a solid grip and sharp blade, you can work faster while maintaining accuracy. In real woodworking, chisels are what turn rough work into refined craftsmanship, making them a must-have in any serious toolkit. Hand saw. A hand saw is the go-to tool when you need quick, controlled cuts without setting up power equipment. Whether you're trimming a wooden board on site or making small adjustments during a project, it saves both time and effort. Its sharp teeth are designed to cut efficiently through wood with steady strokes, giving you better control over the cut line. In real-world use, this means fewer errors and cleaner results, especially for quick tasks. When speed and simplicity matter, a reliable hand saw keeps your workflow moving smoothly. Measuring tape. Accurate measurements are the foundation of every successful woodworking project, and a measuring tape makes that process fast and reliable. Whether you're cutting wood for a frame or aligning multiple pieces, it helps you get precise dimensions in seconds. A good measuring tape has clear markings, a sturdy lock mechanism, and enough length to handle larger projects. In real work scenarios, this prevents costly mistakes and material waste. When every cut depends on accuracy, a dependable measuring tape ensures your entire project stays on track from start to finish. Carpenter Square. A Carpenter Square is essential when you need perfect right angles and accurate layout lines. Imagine building a wooden frame or cabinet. If your angles are even slightly off, the entire structure can become unstable. This tool helps you mark straight, precise lines and check corners instantly. Its rigid design ensures consistency across multiple cuts, saving time during assembly. In real-world projects, it reduces guesswork and keeps everything aligned properly. When precision matters from the very first mark, a Carpenter Square becomes one of the most reliable tools in your workshop. Circular saw. When you need to cut large wooden boards quickly and efficiently, a circular saw becomes a game changer. Instead of spending time with manual cutting, this power tool delivers straight, clean cuts in seconds. It's especially useful when breaking down plywood or trimming long pieces for furniture projects. With adjustable depth and angle settings, you can handle a variety of cutting tasks with precision. In real-world use, it significantly speeds up your workflow while maintaining accuracy. For anyone working with wood regularly, a circular saw is a serious upgrade in both speed and efficiency. Power drill. A power drill is one of the most versatile tools in any woodworking setup, handling both drilling and fastening tasks with ease. Whether you're assembling furniture or installing screws into hardwood, it saves a significant amount of time compared to manual tools. With adjustable speed settings and interchangeable bits, it adapts to different materials and tasks effortlessly. In real projects, this means quicker assembly and stronger, more secure joints. When efficiency and precision are important, a reliable power drill becomes an essential part of getting the job done right. Jigsaw. A jigsaw is the perfect tool when your project requires curved or intricate cuts that straight blade tools can't handle. Imagine cutting out custom shapes for a design piece or fitting wood around tight corners. This is where a jigsaw shines. Its thin blade moves up and down rapidly, allowing you to follow detailed lines with precision. With variable speed control, you can adjust it based on the material and complexity of the cut. In real-world use, it gives you flexibility and creative freedom, making complex cuts faster and far more manageable. Orbital Sander. And an orbital sander is essential when you want smooth, professional-looking surfaces without spending hours sanding by hand. Whether you're finishing a tabletop or preparing wood for paint, it removes roughness quickly and evenly. Its circular sanding motion reduces visible scratch patterns, giving a clean and consistent finish. In real projects, this not only improves appearance, but also helps coatings stick better. With less effort and more uniform results, an orbital sander turns a time-consuming task into a fast and controlled process, making it a key tool for any serious woodworking job. Wood router. A wood router is the tool that takes your projects from basic to professional level finishing. Whether you're adding decorative edges, cutting grooves, or creating joints, it delivers clean and precise results with minimal effort. So imagine shaping the edges of a tabletop or carving slots for perfect fittings. This is where a router truly stands out. With adjustable depth settings and different router bits, you can achieve a wide range of designs quickly. In real-world use, it saves time while adding accuracy and detail, making your final work look polished and professionally crafted. Laser level. A laser level brings speed and accuracy to any task that requires perfect alignment. Instead of manually checking straight lines, it projects a clear, level reference across surfaces, helping you position wood pieces with precision. Whether you're installing shelves or aligning frames, it reduces guesswork and saves time. In real projects, this means fewer corrections and more consistent results. With self-leveling features available in many models, a setup becomes quick and reliable. When straight lines matter, a laser level ensures your work stays accurate from start to finish. Digital angle finder. A digital angle finder helps you measure and transfer angles with precision, which is critical in woodworking projects like frames, joints, or custom cuts. Instead of guessing or manually aligning angles, this tool gives you an exact digital reading within seconds. Imagine setting up a miter cut or matching an existing angle. This tool makes the process faster and far more accurate. In real-world use, it reduces errors and ensures perfect alignment between pieces. When your project depends on exact angles, a digital angle finder saves time and delivers reliable, repeatable results. Marking gauge. A marking gauge is designed for precise layout work, helping you draw consistent lines parallel to an edge. When you're preparing joints like mortise and tenon or marking cut lines, accuracy is critical. This tool allows you to set a fixed distance and repeat that measurement across multiple pieces without variation. In real woodworking scenarios, it eliminates uneven cuts and saves time during assembly. Its simple design ensures clean, scratch lines that guide your tools perfectly. When precision layout matters, a marking gauge keeps your work consistent and professional from the very start. Digital caliper. A digital caliper is essential when you need highly precise measurements beyond what a standard tape can provide. Whether you're checking the thickness of a wooden piece or ensuring parts fit together perfectly, it gives accurate readings in seconds. And the digital display makes it easy to read measurements without guesswork, even for small dimensions. In real projects, this helps avoid fitting issues and material waste. When precision is critical, especially in detailed woodworking tasks, a digital caliper ensures everything matches exactly the way it should. Moisture meter. A moisture meter helps you check the moisture content inside wood before you start working with it. This is important because wood that holds too much moisture can warp, crack, or shrink after your project is complete. Imagine building furniture only to see it deform over time. This tool helps you avoid that risk. It gives quick readings so you can decide whether the wood is ready to use. In real-world woodworking, it protects both your time and materials, ensuring your final product remains stable and long-lasting. Sheet bar clamps. Bar clamps are essential when you need to hold pieces of wood firmly in place during assembly or glue-ups. Instead of struggling to keep parts aligned by hand, these clamps apply steady pressure, ensuring tight and accurate joints. Imagine joining panels for a tabletop. Without proper clamping, gaps and weak bonds can occur. With adjustable lengths and strong grip, bar clamps make the process faster and more reliable. In real woodworking projects, they improve accuracy and stability, allowing glue to set properly and giving your final piece a solid, professional finish. Workbench table. A workbench table provides a stable and organized surface where all your woodworking tasks come together. Whether you're cutting, assembling, or sanding, having a solid base improves both safety and accuracy. Imagine trying to work on an uneven surface. It slows you down and increases mistakes. A proper workbench often includes features like clamping areas or built-in storage, making your workflow smoother. In real projects, it keeps everything steady and within reach, allowing you to work faster and more efficiently while maintaining control over every step. Bench Vise. A bench vise securely holds your workpiece in place, giving you both hands free to work with precision and control. Whether you're cutting, drilling, or shaping wood, it prevents movement that could lead to errors or unsafe conditions. Imagine trying to chisel or saw without proper support. It slows you down and affects accuracy. With adjustable jaws and strong clamping force, a bench vise keeps materials firmly locked. In real woodworking tasks, it improves both safety and efficiency, making detailed work easier and far more consistent. Dust collector. A dust collector plays a critical role in keeping your workspace clean and safe while you work. Woodworking generates a large amount of fine dust, which can affect both visibility and air quality. Instead of constantly stopping to clean, this system captures dust directly from your tools as you work. Imagine sanding or cutting for hours without proper dust control. It slows you down and creates a messy environment. In real projects, a dust collector improves efficiency, protects your health, and helps maintain a cleaner, more professional workspace throughout the entire process. Tool organizer. A tool organizer keeps your workspace structured, making it easier to find and store your tools without wasting time. Instead of searching through clutter during a project, everything stays in its proper place and within reach. Imagine working on a tight deadline and constantly looking for the right tool. It disrupts your flow and slows you down. With compartments, racks, or wall-mounted systems, organization becomes simple and efficient. In real woodworking scenarios, a well-organized setup improves productivity and focus, allowing you to work faster and maintain consistency throughout your projects. Table saw. A table saw is one of the most important machines in any woodworking workshop, designed for making straight, accurate cuts with speed and consistency. Whether you're ripping large boards or cutting panels to size, it provides a stable surface and a powerful rotating blade for precise results. Imagine handling multiple identical cuts. This tool ensures each piece matches perfectly. With adjustable fences and blade height controls, it allows repeatable accuracy in real projects. When efficiency and precision are critical, a table saw becomes the backbone of serious woodworking work. Band saw. A band saw is ideal for making smooth, controlled cuts, especially when working with curves or thicker pieces of wood. Its continuous blade moves in a single direction, allowing for greater control and reduced material waste. Imagine cutting intricate shapes or resawing wood into thinner slices. This tool handles both with precision. In real woodworking projects, it offers versatility that many other saws cannot match. With proper setup, a bandsaw improves accuracy while saving time, making it a reliable choice for both detailed work and heavy-duty cutting tasks. Thickness planer. A thickness planer is used to make wooden boards uniformly flat and consistent in thickness, which is essential for professional results. Instead of working with uneven surfaces, this tool smooths and levels the wood as it passes through rotating blades. Imagine preparing multiple boards for a table. Each piece needs to match perfectly for proper assembly. In real-world use, a planer saves time and ensures accuracy across all pieces. When consistency and smooth finishes matter, a thickness planer helps you achieve clean, even results with minimal effort. Wood lathe. A wood lathe allows you to shape wood into perfectly round and symmetrical forms by rotating the material while you apply cutting tools. It's commonly used for creating items like table legs, bowls, or decorative pieces. Imagine turning a plain block of wood into a smooth, detailed design. This tool makes that transformation possible. With controlled speed settings, you can work with precision and consistency. In real woodworking projects, a wood lathe adds both efficiency and creative flexibility, helping you produce refined, custom shapes that stand out. Oscillating Multi-Tool. An oscillating multi-tool is designed for versatility, making it useful for cutting, sanding, scraping, and detail work in tight spaces. Instead of switching between multiple tools, you can handle different tasks with interchangeable attachments. Imagine working in a corner or trimming a small section where larger tools can't reach. This is where it performs best. Its rapid side-to-side motion allows controlled and precise operation. In real woodworking scenarios, it saves time and effort by handling multiple jobs efficiently, making it a practical addition to any modern workshop. That wraps up 25 tools that can truly make your work faster and smarter. If you found this helpful, make sure to like the video and drop a comment with your favorite tool from the list. And if you want more practical tools and tech content like this, subscribe to AU TechVerse and stay ahead with smarter ways to work.